Hey guys, I'm up here near Sylvan Lake in South Dakota. Definitely one of the most beautiful spots in all of South Dakota. The rocks here are absolutely amazing. I've got the little itty bitty Insta360 Go 2. I'm gonna see if I can get some almost drone looking shots with it using this 10-foot long selfie stick.
Let me take you over the rainbow, out of the hollow place you feel inside. Let me lead you out of the shadow, out of the darkness. Let me shine a light. I wanna be the one who believes in you. A bullet to the heart I can see right through. Nothing left to hold, nothing left to do. I don't know why beautiful things gotta die. Our love will survive. We've got to borrow faith. I know you're tired and you've lost your fire. You've lost your way out of all the pain. I know you doubt it. It's easy to doubt it. It's easy believing things will never change. I wanna be the one who believes in you. Bullet to the heart I can see right through. Nothing left to hold, nothing left to do. I don't know why beautiful things gotta die. Our love will survive. We got to borrow faith. I don't know why beautiful things gotta die. Our love will survive. We've got to borrow faith. I believe in you. I believe in you. I don't know why beautiful things gotta die. Our love will survive. We've got to borrow faith. We've got to borrow faith. Beautiful things gotta die. Oh, our love will survive. Sometimes we borrow faith.
Alright guys, if you want to purchase the Insta360 Go 2, then there'll be links to this camera in the description below. If you want to learn more about it, check out my unboxing video right here where I talk about the specs and features of the camera. And then in this video down here, I actually do a side-by-side comparison between the Insta360 Go 2 and the GoPro Hero 9. I think you guys are going to be pretty impressed with how well this tiny little camera performs, so definitely check out that video, and I'll see you guys next time.